To build this model, we need to fix this work table just like for any of our other hobby science kits. We don't need these now, keep them aside. Now we need to fix this work table, and we are going to build it by the same method where we will be building it directly over the plan. So we need to cover this plan with a plastic cover. So for the plastic cover, use this. This is a stapler. Just remove this and then take the part out. There are 3 sheets. It's a small kit, so just you have 3 sheets. 1 sheet of rib and 2 sheets of wooden balsa parts. To set the work table, take the same cover, the plastic cover that the kit came in, keep it, and then cut one side. Cut one side like this. So once you have cut the side, you can open the plastic cover like this. So you have one wide plastic cover. Now use that. First we will build the fuselage, so use the plastic cover to cover the fuselage area. You take these pins, small pins, normal pins, and pin. I am using a foam board here, white color foam board, this one. But you can use just any corrugated box, that is like any TV box or a refrigerator box that comes in. You can take one side of it so that you can pin the pins, insert the pins. So now the thing is fixed. Again, as with any other hobby science kit, this plan is color coded. All the green parts are all already cut to size. The parts that are there in green color, this, everything in green color are already cut to size. The ones that are there in red color here, these parts are there as extra spars. You need to cut them to size from extra spars. So that's how we need to build this model. Let's get started with the fuselage. So for the fuselage, first is the nose part, that is from sheet 1. Here it is, sheet 1 is here. This is the nose part. 2 are there. We need only 1 for one side. So just take one. Fix it on this. Keep it exactly on the drawing and then pin the part to the table with pins. Yes, use 2 pins so that it doesn't move. Okay. The second is this small part, that is again from sheet 1. So small part, here it is. 2 are there, take 1. Here, this is from sheet 1. Now in this, while using super glue, you just first fix the part in that place, and then pour glue over that over the joint, over the point of contact, like this. Just fix it first, and then keeping the finger away, just pour 1 drop of glue, and within 2 to 5 seconds it will get stuck. Now that thing is stuck. Now the second is done. Third is the bottom long round here. Yeah. That is from sheet 1. Here it is, third sheet 1. The bottom long run is here. There are 2 again. Take 1. Just gently take only the part that we need. If you take the other parts, then it will just create confusion. So this is the third. Keep it there in place like this. This is the third part, and just add 1 drop of glue at the point of contact and leave it. So first fix the part and then apply glue. And fourth, again from sheet 1. Let's see where that, here it is. 2 are there, 2 sets are there. Take 1. This is fourth. Keep it exactly there. remove any excess wood that is there for smooth fitment. Now there are 2 points of contact, one is here and one is the long run, bottom long run. So pour 1 drop at the point of contact and here 1 drop at the point of contact. Okay. Fifth is the top long run, that is from sheet 1. Sheet 1 is here. There the bent stick, that is the top long run. Again 2 sets are there, but you take only one. Gently just crack that attachment. Each part has a small attachment. If you crack that attachment, it will fall off like this. Always take the part, only the part that you need. Don't take too many parts. If you take too many parts, it will create a lot of confusion. Here is the point of contact for this fifth part. Add 1 drop of glue. Yes, that is done. Now sixth is the pillar here, cabin pillar. That is sixth from sheet 1. Sixth from sheet 1 is here. Here, this is the cabin pillar. So again there is a small attachment. Crack that attachment like this. It comes out. And now just fix it in place like this. For the orientation, keep checking the plan. Should exactly the part should exactly fit on the plan. Add 1 drop glue, top and bottom. Yeah. Okay, now that is done. Sixth is done. Now seventh is the tail. Tail is from sheet 1. Sheet 1 is here. This is the tail part, 2 are there. Take one. Take one and put it in place. Yes. Like this. One drop glue here and 1 drop glue here. Okay, so that is also done. That is the seventh done. Eighth is the motor anchor. That is again from sheet 1. 2 motor anchors are there. Take one for each side, so take only one and attach it. The direction it needs to be kept, it is there on the plan, so just adhere to that all the time. First fix it like this and then apply 1 drop glue bottom, 1 drop glue at the top. Leave it, it will get totally tightly attached. Okay, so that is done. Now next is the inner vertical spars. Those are red color parts, so we need to cut them to size. Cut extra spars in sheet 2. This is sheet 1, so this extra spars here also, but don't use it. It says use it from sheet 2. So from sheet 2 is here. So extra spars, there are extra spars here, so take the extra spars from sheet 2. Take the smallest one all the time. First time when you use it, take the smallest extra spar, crack the attachment open, crack it like this. Yes. Okay, so the extra spar is here. Now take the knife. What you do is keep it here and then see where you need to cut. Just make a small indent with the knife like this. Make sure this part you don't touch with knife, and once you made the indent, take it out and then make a clean cut and then crack it with your finger and put the part inside in place like this, and then pour glue. 1 drop at the bottom, 1 drop at the top. Okay. Now to clear this uneven thing, so you just rub it with sandpaper and it will get clear. One more here. Just press and then break it. And while gluing it, hold it, press the top and bottom long run. After keeping it, hold it in place and then apply 1 drop glue. Yes. Okay. Here one more. Yes. Okay. So that is done, and just one more red part here. Where do you use this? Take the measurement correctly. Yes. And then pour glue. Yes. So now one side of the fuselage is completely done. Now before removing this fuselage, attach the fuselage nose top and nose bottom. The nose top is here in sheet 2. This is the nose top and one more is there. This is the nose bottom. So before removing this, we need to attach these two. Now these two have to be attached at 90 degrees to the table. Now that is very important. So just there is this L kind of a cut. So keep it here, that L cut on the front one. Now it is at 90 degrees. And then pour 1 drop of glue. And take your hands off. It will stand there. Okay, and this again for the bottom, this again should be at 90 degrees at the bottom. Hold it with your finger like this and ensure that it is at 90 degrees, and then apply 1 drop of glue to the corner. So now that is done, the one side of the fuselage is done. So now what we do is, we need to build the second side of the fuselage. This is the first side of the fuselage with the nose top and nose bottom attached. Now the second side of the fuselage also build the same way. There you will not attach the nose top and bottom because already it has been attached here. Now just gently, like when you're removing the pins, keep fingers like this and the pin should be in the middle like this. Hold the wooden part down and then gently take the pin out. Otherwise the pin might sometimes get stuck in the super glue and may break the part. That's why you need to hold the part down with 2 fingers like this. Okay, so that's how we build the fuselage one side. Now remove this. To remove this, take the scale, gently slide it under and then keep moving it like this. Yes, because the glue might have got stuck to the cover and the wood. So to gently remove it, we need to slide something like a scale under that to relax that. If the glue is totally stuck, then just take it in your hand like this and try to peel the cover out like this slowly. If it is very tightly stuck, then peel it off like this. So now you see this part. One side of fuselage is totally done with the nose top and nose bottom attached. Now keep the plastic paper on the fuselage again. Now build the second side exactly like the first side. Just build it on this again. And then we will see, once you have done, we will see how to attach the 2 sides together.